Hey everyone, today we're opening the HP Omen 16. For the full review with display tests, battery results, benchmarks and more, visit laptopmedia.com. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. To reach the internals, we remove 6 screws and lift off the bottom panel. We are using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. The next 4 screws stay attached to the cover. They create a small gap near the heat sinks, which makes removal easier. Using a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the clips around the panel. The bottom cover is now off. There is an extra thermal pad between the bottom cover and the cooling assembly. Here is the battery connector. This is the primary SSD. And here is the second SSD bay. Under this shield sit the memory slots. The discrete graphics card sits underneath. The processor is below this section. Cooling relies on 2 fans and several heat pipes. We begin by disconnecting the battery. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. While we remove the screws, a quick note on the battery. This unit uses the 4-cell 70 Wh lithium polymer pack. Some Omen 16 versions come with a larger 6-cell 83 Wh battery. That makes 6 battery screws. The last one is out. Here is the battery itself. The second SSD bay is empty, but it still has shielding. Now we remove the primary SSD. On top is an EMI and RFI shield, and the thermal pad also helps move heat away from the drive. It is a 2 TB Kioxia BG6 NVMe drive. The slot is M.2 2280 PCI Express 4x4. HP also offers 512 GB, 1 TB and dual 512 GB storage setups in this series. The installed memory stick is a 16 GB Samsung DDR5 module rated at 5600 megatransfers per second. Here are the two user-accessible SODIMM slots. The laptop supports dual-channel memory. HP officially rates this series for up to 32 gigs of memory. Here is the second 16 gig stick, so this machine is configured with 32 gigs total. We're putting it back into the slots. We will not remove the wireless card, because the antenna leads are delicate. Here is the touchpad from below. And here is the cooling system again. That was a quick look inside the HP Omen 16, showing its two SODIMM memory slots, two SSD bays and dual fan cooling. On laptopmedia.com, you can also check our full thermal and noise tests, display measurements, and battery life results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.